Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So minute, 60 seconds. 1 minute, just like here, 60 seconds. 60 of these are in an hour, even an hour. In an hour. Yes. Yeah. So a minute, 60 seconds. Nice. So this video will be a few minutes long. A few minutes long. Yeah. She will wait 1 minute more. 1 minute. Yeah. I will record an extra minute for the lesson. Makes sense. So, can you wait? Wait a minute, wait. Can you wait a minute? Yeah, I can wait a minute. Yes, I can wait a minute. Yeah. And then, it should arrive in a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Any minute now, it should be here. Minute now, the parcel should be here. Yeah. In a few minutes, they will arrive. They will arrive in a few minutes. Makes sense. So, minute is singular, just one. And minutes is 2 plus, plural. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5, 10 minutes, more. 60 minutes are in 1 hour. 60 minutes are in 1 hour. How cool is that? Yeah. So those few minutes were very critical. Those few minutes just now or yesterday were critical. Those minutes were vital. Those few minutes were vital. We had to be careful. Be careful. Yes. I'm just waiting a minute. Just waiting 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute. Hold on a minute. Okay, let's go. Yeah. After I waited a minute, I left the building. Yeah. Time will always be the same. 1 minute will always be 1 minute. So, time is not going to change. A minute is always the same. 60 seconds. It cannot change. Time and minutes will not change. They'll always be the same. 1 minute, 60 seconds. 60 seconds, 1 second, and 1 minute. It's never going to change. It's constant. It is a constant. Yeah. Yeah. But then you could say, how many minutes are in a day? Well, 60. Well, it's 60 multiplied by 24. Well, that's how many minutes. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So that is a lot of minutes. Yeah. So language explorers. So minute, 60 seconds. 60 of these are in an hour. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use minute in a sentence? Can you write your own sentence? And write it in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.